So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So I had some subscribers go ahead and email me and ask me, hey, time for streaming, what's the easiest way to go ahead and put Kodi, the media player, onto my Fire Stick? So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel or you like what you're seeing, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell. Just go ahead, click that thumbs up also. It really does help out the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. And if you like what you're seeing, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. So what happened was people or subscribers went ahead and emailed me and said, what's the easiest way to go ahead and put Kodi onto my Fire Stick? Also, there's one thing I always want to remind you: anytime you're streaming with a third-party app, always protect yourself and use a VPN. If you're looking for one, check out my link in the description below. I am sponsored by NordVPN, so please go ahead, click on it, and get yourself protected with a great, fast VPN, NordVPN. So here we are on the home screen. Let's go over to the left where the Find is, or magnifying glass. Just go ahead, hover over the Find, come on down to Search, click on Search. Now, the first program that you need before you could go ahead and download the media player is Downloader. Just click on letter D, come on down to where it says Downloader, and click on Downloader. Now, you want the first one right here. None of these, you don't want those, okay? Click on this one here, click on Downloader. It's going to come up and say downloaded. You own it, you download it, then open it up. So let's go ahead, open it up. Now, the other thing I want to show you is before we go ahead and use it, click on your home button on your remote, come over to the right to where the gear is, also known as settings, come on down to My Fire TV, come down to developer options, come on down to where it says install unknown apps. Then you're going to see downloader. If it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Okay, let's click that home button on a remote. Now that you have Downloader already downloaded, go over to where the three boxes are and the plus sign, also known as your apps. Click on it. Get a few seconds. Come on down to the bottom. Here it is, always down at the bottom. If you want to move it to the front, you can. Click on that three-line button on your remote, and then you can say move to front, and it will always be there when you open up your Fire Stick. So I just did it, clicked on the home button. Here it is, right in first position. So anytime I want to go ahead and download something off a downloader, it's right here. I don't have to go into my apps and find it. Let's go ahead and open up Downloader. Once you open up Downloader, go up one time, click the Enter button. Then you want to type in the following. Makes it nice and easy. Kodi_TV. Nice and easy, no shortcut codes, nothing. And it's going to bring you right to their site, the official site, so you know you're getting all official APK. Let's go over to the right across from where it says Kodi. Click on the three lines, come back over to the left, and you want to come down to where it says Download. Let's go click on Download. Once you click on Download, scroll on down, and you want to find your platform. We want the new Android guy. Click on the Android guy. Once the page changes, then you want to scroll on down. I went too far. Come back down here. You want AR7A 32-bit. Let's go ahead and give that a click. Give it a few seconds to download. After it downloads, the page will change. Come up to where it says install. Click on install. Doesn't take long to install. Now, don't open it yet. Go over to the left, click on Done, then click on Delete, click Delete again. This just takes out the file out of the Downloader app, so it does not go ahead and take up more space on your Fire Stick. Now go ahead and click that home button on your remote. So now once you're back onto your home screen, let's go back over to three squares and a plus sign. Click on it. Let's go ahead and put the Kodi app right in front. If you're going to be using it a lot, again, you highlight it, three-line button on the remote, click move to front, goes right to the first position. Click on the home button. And this is Kodi Omega 21.2, the latest and most stable version that Kodi has out today. That's as far as I can go on showing you what you could do with Kodi, the media player, as YouTube does not like me to show you much with Kodi. So go ahead and use it for the best way that you know how. On other platforms, I do show you how to go ahead and do full installs. I hope you find this method very helpful, entertaining, very simple to use. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if you're still using Kodi. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.